How much sleep have you had? Hour and a half?
Yeah, give or take.
So yesterday was McLarens and Lamborghinis.
Oh, do you want to see? Ready?
Go on.
We're doing the bungalow over there. Main road is that way. And then we go over there.
So show me what's been done. So I can't believe the front.
Oh, it's mad. They've done a good job there. Turns out you actually do have rooms in there.
I didn't even know we had a fence.
And there's a little pond.
Is there?
Yeah, it had little gnomes around it and everything. A gnome.
A gnome, okay.
Oh, this way.
Come on then, I'm following you.
No jokes today.
You're too tired for jokes, are you?
I can't really think of any. Yeah, I'll keep thinking.
Come on then. Come on then. Just turn that off a minute, otherwise it will ban it off YouTube. Back.
There you go.
Hold on. I thought you were a McLaren driver now. You should be doing stuff like that.
I didn't know electricians know how to sweep.
I don't know you knew how to sweep.
That's why I go on a separate training course for that.
Owen, I don't even want to know.
Look, sometimes I bring things to work, alright?
He is quite amused, isn't he? Sometimes. Right, come on, let's show us around then. I think you've done amazing.
Bathroom.
Yeah, I've never even seen these walls.
I don't think they have, either. It's getting there.
Yeah. Yeah, still a lot to do, but
Yeah.
yeah, I'm amazed how well you lot have done. Are they new tools here?
Yeah, I found them.
You found all these? Bloody hell. Okay.
Found a crossbar as well.
Bloody hell, I see light.
Yeah, now I can tell you because
I can't believe all those tools.
I don't think he was much into DIY.